Welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical Fundamentals. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee with the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of AutoCAD Electrical. With the completion of our Electrical Fundamentals course, clients will have the obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. Completion of the class will enable students to know how to use the AutoCAD Electrical interface, utilize the AutoCAD Electrical project files, use the schematic tools to create electrical schematic drawings, using the tools to create panel drawings for electrical cabinets, and create reports for each project to ensure project accuracy for each project created. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access AutoCAD Electrical through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students utilize AutoCAD Electrical's tools for creating schematic drawings, use the panel tools to create panel drawings, and to work with the reports tools to create well-organized reports to ensure drawing accuracy. As we progress through the 3 days of class, each student will discover how to use the many powerful electrical drawing creation tools, how to create schematic drawings, develop point-to-point drawings, create ladder logic drawings, how to create panel drawings, using multiple tools to create PLC and I/O circuits, utilizing the built-in database for components to assign manufacturer-specific stock numbers, saving and creating blocks of custom circuits that will automatically be numbered accordingly, how to create custom schematic blocks, how to create custom panel blocks, creating assemblies of multiple parts that will link together on the bill of materials reports, and utilizing the report tools and functions to run reports on drawings inside of the project to ensure proper documentation of all parts of the project. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how AutoCAD Electrical functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods. Assisting AutoCAD Electrical users in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through work problem issues more efficiently and more quickly. Upon completion of the course, technicians, designers, and managers alike will gain the confidence to learn how to use many of the powerful electrical drawing creation tools in the AutoCAD Electrical software, creating schematic drawings, ladder logic drawings, point-to-point drawings, panel drawings, PLC and I/O circuits using automated commands. Users will learn how to use the software to automatically tag and number wires and components. When the project is completed, users will understand what reporting tools are available to help check and produce usable drawings.